So everybody's working on their computers. They were introduced to some new extensions. And we were introduced to GoFormative. So everything went well. Working hard. Okay. Got an iPad here. What is it? What are you using, Marco? A tablet. Morning. We got some more kids, all with their. Hold up your devices, you guys. Who's got devices?
Mine's in my bag. I can't get it out.
Oh, there's your bag.
This is the device. It's called iPhone 6.
iPhone 6. Good. Good morning. We got some kids over here. More devices. We got some phones. What do you have, Grant?
The second iPad ever made.
The second iPad ever made? Nice. You playing some games this morning? Looks like a fun game. Good. We got Connor down here. Connor, what are you playing? What are you doing? It's your iPad? Start. Yep. So, good morning. These are the children this morning who did over 100 minutes at on MobyMax. This is a program we do for math that takes them at their level. It grades them. So, these are the students up here who have done 100 minutes on their MobyMax. This is a program that we can do at home or at school. It takes them at their level. They do their lessons. The MobyMax teach you anything. Do you guys want to say anything about MobyMax? Yeah. Elliot.
It's fun.
Okay, it's fun. What are some things you get as you do MobyMax? Mason.
When you're done with a lesson or something, there's a funny video.
When you're done with the lesson, you get a funny video. Hannah, you want to say anything?
It's kind of like addicting. Like once you do it, you want to keep doing it.
Okay.
You keep earning badges.
Did you get that? Once you keep doing it, you want to keep doing it. You earn badges. Anna, is there anything?
You can like email the teacher.
Email me. Good. So we do communications. Allison.
Well, like you, like after you watch the video, it's like you can understand it more.
Did you watch the video I sent you last night? So last night I saw that Anna was struggling on a lesson on her MobyMax. So then I looked up a video for her. She watched the video and it did help. Awesome. So this was just some communication we did online together, and she did it at home. So she's learning on her own, and it was about subtracting and borrowing fractions. 8 points, Logan? Yeah. Logan, do you do a whole lot of math outside of school normally?
No.
No.
Much, but MobyMax really like inspired me because you review everything that you've learned.
Oh.
Almost everything.
That's nice, because you're reviewing everything you learned. You're going through your lessons really fast, aren't you? So that's really good. Logan, you know, he's doing great. You know, doesn't do a lot of math at home, but for some reason, MobyMax, he just took off on it. So how many of you guys get comments from Mrs. Phillips? You got comments from at home? How have you gotten a good vibe from Mrs. Phillips? Good. So we get good vibes, but this is kind of our first step. MobyMax is a great program. It's stuff we can do both at school, and then the kids can take it at home and grow from there. So there's
Wait,
JJ.
no, we did 7.
Okay, no, Hannah's not playing. Start adding, subtracting decimals, and rounding. We only have 8 questions. This is a good one. Okay, round to the nearest tenth.
Wait,
Round to the nearest tenth. So go ahead and show them their screen too. So they click on one. JJ, did you click yours yet?
No.
Nope. So JJ still has some options. So
Okay,
JJ, does the 0 tell the 7 to go up or stay the same? Does this 0 tell the tenths to go up or stay the same?
Yes.
All right. So then they get the results. Quick results. Kids like it.
I think he needs a little more time.
Nice. Okay. This morning we are working on kind of a playground activity where the children are making some collages and taking some pictures of how to multiply decimals. So it looks like, Devin, you have your picture ready to take? And then he's struggling a little bit. So, ooh, if we come down here, you got your picture in there? Let me see. You gotta move it for me. So there you go. There's Devin and his example. So yeah, good. And then Ava is working on hers. And then walking around, I see some other people. Grace is taking a snapshot of her problem. Hers is adding up decimals, practicing. And then that's going to go into her project. Addison's doing the same thing. Hannah's getting hers in. Good. So this is kind of a playground day where they're both learning how to multiply decimals and then putting in their examples to make a collage. All right, today we're taking ownership of our learning. They are coming up with probably a 2-digit by 2-digit decimal multiplication problem. They're going to make it. They're going to try to explain it a little bit, and then they're going to take a snapshot of it. Okay? They're going to eventually make a collage with steps on how to do it. So right now they have their computers up that have their snap ready to go. They have their dry erase boards, and they're making up their problems. I see Adriel's got a nice 3 2/10 times 1 and... Oh, are you adding, Adriel? You want to do an adding one? You go ahead. She's going to add. It looks like she's lining up her decimals. Good. I prefer multiplying, so Dalton's doing his multiplying. Good. We look around here. Kids are getting settled in. Jada wants to show hers. She's getting her picture lined up.